Welcome back to Learn English with Ease. Today's conversation is about building confidence when speaking in meetings. Let's begin. Hi, Anna. Do you feel comfortable speaking in meetings?
Hi, Tom. To be honest, not always.
What makes meetings difficult for you?
There are many people listening. I feel pressure to speak clearly and quickly.
That pressure can be heavy.
Yes, sometimes my ideas are good, but I don't share them.
I understand. Meetings can make people quiet.
Especially when others speak confidently.
That comparison can be discouraging.
Yes, I start thinking my English is not good enough.
I've felt that way too.
What helps you in meetings?
Preparation helps a lot.
How do you prepare?
I prepare 1 or 2 simple points that I want to say.
That sounds manageable.
Yes, I don't try to say everything.
I think I try to be perfect.
Perfection creates pressure.
True. Pressure makes me silent.
Silence can feel safe, but it hides your ideas.
I don't want to hide my ideas.
Then starting small is important.
What do you mean by small?
Asking a question or agreeing with someone's point.
That feels easier than giving opinions.
Exactly. It helps your voice enter the conversation.
Once my voice is there, speaking feels easier.
That's a great observation.
Do you ever feel nervous before meetings?
Yes, even now, sometimes.
That's comforting to hear.
Confidence doesn't mean no fear. It means acting anyway.
I like that definition.
Another helpful thing is speaking slowly.
I often speak too fast.
Fast speech increases mistakes.
And mistakes increase fear.
Exactly. Slow speech creates control.
I will try that next time.
Also, it's okay to pause,
Pauses feel uncomfortable.
but they sound confident to others.
I didn't know that.
Many confident speakers pause often.
That changes how I see pauses.
What would you like to change about how you speak in meetings?
I want to trust myself more.
Trust grows with practice.
Yes, and practice comes from trying.
Exactly.
I think English meetings are not just about language.
They are also about mindset.
Calm mindset, clear mindset.
Well said.
I hope our listeners feel more confident after this.
I hope so too.
Everyone deserves to be heard,
Even with simple English.
especially with simple English.
Thank you for this conversation, Anna.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you for listening today.
See you in the next episode.
Confidence grows slowly. One meeting, one sentence, one voice. This is Learn English with Ease. See you tomorrow.